What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Tommy's Kitchen. In this video, this is going to be video part 2 on how to make a gingerbread house. In this video, we're going to be making our glue, aka the frosting, that we're going to use to glue our houses together, and what we're going to use to glue our candy onto our houses. So now, let's head over to the ingredients table and I'll show you guys what we're going to be needing to use. Alright guys, this is what you're going to be needing to use. We're going to be needing this mixer, KitchenAid mixer thing again, which I forget the name of again. We're going to be needing some sugar, some measuring utensils. We're needing this cream of tartar, some eggs, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to be needing 6 eggs, some cups, some measuring utensils, and this egg separator thing, which I'll explain later. So this is our new recipe that my grandma found, because it's a lot better than the one that we used to use in previous years. So now let's get started. Alrighty, so now the first thing we want to do is we're going to want to take our eggs and then crack them and make sure they're separated in here, because what we're going to want to use is we're just going to want the egg whites. And now you're going to do that for the rest of our 6 eggs. Alrighty, so now what we want to do is you want to take all your egg whites and you just want to dump it all in your beater. Alrighty, so now what we want to do is to take your cream of tartar. You're going to want 1.5 teaspoons of this. Now after you're done with that, you're going to take 2 pounds of powdered sugar. And now what you want to do is dump all this in. Alrighty, now this is the important part. So now what we're going to do is you're going to turn your thing on and lock it. And then what you're going to do after that is you're going to start it up and work and eventually work your way up to number 10. And then now once you hit number 10, you're going to let it go and run for 10 minutes. That's important. So now let's go. So now that everything's done, we're going to open up our thing, twist off this top, if I can get it.
There you go.
So now that we're done with this, I'm just going to take it and just pour it in here.
I see him as that as the old actor.
There you have it. Here's your glue. Alrighty, so that is how you make your glue frosting for your gingerbread house. So definitely stay tuned to the next video. The next video will be showing you how to glue your house together and the proper tool you use to glue like your candies and stuff on. So definitely stay tuned to the next video. So that wraps up today's video. If you like this video, please make sure you smash that like button. And if you want to see more videos like these, please consider subscribing and follow me on social media. The links are down below. Alrighty guys, I'll see you guys in part 3. Bye!